Second lesson, our food. Warm up. How do you feel when you return home from school? So, when you are returning home, what you are getting feel? See, circle your answer. You may circle more than one option. So, you are tired? Yes, tired. But hungry? Yes, you are hungry. Active? No, only hungry. Look ahead. Here it is our food we are learning. Look ahead. Look ahead means what we are learning here. Food groups. What are the food groups? Sources of food. Where we are getting the food. Eating habit. What is the eating habit? Let us see. When we feel tired and hungry, we want to take some rest and eat something. When we are feeling tired and hungry, what we want? We want rest and something we have to eat. Name any two things you have for dinner. Any things too. So rice, chapati, curry, dal we are eating, no? So in dinner time. Groups. What is the food group? We eat food to grow and get energy to work. Why you are eating the food? We get grow and energy to work. Energy to work. If you are not eating anything, you are not getting freshness and energy. So we have to eat food to grow and get energy to work. The food we eat is called it. What we are eating? That is we are calling our diet. What is that one? Our diet. The food we eat is called our diet. There are three main kinds of food. There are three kinds of food group that is should be included in our diet. So three main food groups are there that we are included in our diet. So let us read about these food groups. Let us see. First one, energy giving food or carbohydrate and fats. So first one is energy giving food or carbohydrates and fats. What is that one? See here picture. See, these are energy giving food. So these are what? Energy giving food. See here. Then what? These are food groups gives us energy to work, play and be active Second one, body building food or protein. These food what? Food groups helps us grow. So what is a body building food? See here, fish, milk, egg. Yes, no? That is what? Body building food or protein. Body building food or proteins. These food groups help us to grow. So body building food or proteins are fish, milk, egg and etc. So protective food or vitamins and minerals. Protective food or vitamin and minerals means what? See this one. These are fruits and vegetables. This what? This is a protective food. When we are eating these things, kinds of food, we are not getting ill. So daily you have to eat fruits and vegetable also. These food groups help us to be strong and healthy. They protect our body from illness. So these food groups are strong and healthy, and this is what? Protect from our body illness. So we are not getting illness. Some people do not eat meat. Some people they are not eating the meat. They are vegetarians. So who is not eating the meat? They are called vegetarians. Some people eat meat and fish. They are non-vegetarians. They are non-vegetarians. Non-vegetarians should eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. See, non-vegetarian who is eating, they have to eat plenty of fruits and vegetables to stay healthy. To stay healthy, non-vegetarians, they have to eat fruits and vegetables to stay healthy. So, did you know some vegetarians do not drink milk or eat anything made from milk, such as butter and cheese? They are called vegans. They are called vegans. Then sources of food. Where we are getting the food? You read that we get grains, vegetables and fruits from plants. Where we are getting the fruits, vegetables, grains? From plants. Farmers grow many kinds of food grains. Fruits and vegetables are grown on farms. The fruits and vegetables grown on farms. Some people also grow fruits and vegetables in their gardens. See, farmers grow many food grains. So, fruits also, vegetables also. So, we get food items like, we are getting food items like milk, egg and meat. Where we are getting? From farm animals. We are getting meat and milk, eggs from animals. So, eating habit. Beside a healthy diet, what the eating habit? So, besides a healthy diet, we must have good eating habit to stay healthy. We have to eat properly and to stay healthy. Here are some eating habits. You should always follow. What? Eat your meals at fixed time. You have to eat your meals at fixed time. Wash your hands well. While you are eating, before or after, you have to wash your hand properly. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. We have to eat plenty fruits and vegetables. Drink plenty of water every day. We have to drink water, 6 glass of water in daily. Chew your food well. When you are eating the food, you have to chew the food properly. Eat in a pleasant mood. So, when you are eating, don't see the mobile, TV. While you are eating, you have to switch off your mobile and TV also. And you have to eat pleasant mood. We should chew our food well before swallowing. Chewing helps in breaking food group into small pieces before reaching stomach. When we are swallowing, the digestion is not properly. When we are chew the food properly, it breaks the food and small pieces in pieces and before reaching the stomach. This is good for health. This way our food gets benefits of various food groups. So, wrap up what you learnt here. So, grains, vegetables and fruits from plants. Grains, vegetables and fruits from plants. Milk, eggs and meat from animals. Milk, eggs and meat from animals. These are sources of food. What is this one? These are sources of food. So, eating habits. Having meals at fixed times. We have to eat fixed time. Wash your hand properly before and after eating. We have to wash our hands properly before we are eating and after eating. Eating enough fruits and vegetables. Drinking a lot of water and chewing foods well. We have to chewing our food well. See, energy giving food, carbohydrates, that is a bread, rice and potato. Bread, rice and potato. Fats, butter, oil, cream, protective foods, vitamins, fruits and vegetables, milk, nut, minerals, cheese, milk, vegetables, fruits. Body building foods, proteins, eggs, milk, pulses, meat, fish. These are what we have learned. That is a just wrap up. So evaluate things you know. So we are solving the questions. First one, strike out the incorrect word. First, carbohydrates, protein gives us energy. Which is giving energy? Carbohydrates. So protein is an incorrect word. So we have to strike out. Second one, we must drink plenty of water or juice every day. We have to drink plenty of water is correct, juice is incorrect. So we have to strike out. Third one, fish, eggs and pulses are rich in what? Proteins, not fats. So fats you have to cross out. So here it is a protein, juice and fats are incorrect words. B1, some food items are listed in the box. Place them in the correct columns. We have to place them. See, energy giving food. What are the energy giving food? Body building foods. What are the body building foods? And proteins. Okay? And protective food. Energy giving food, body building food and protective foods. So fruits. What is that one? Fruits is protective foods. Pulses, body building foods. Eggs, body building foods. Vegetables, protective food. Rice, energy giving food. Butter, energy giving food. Bread, energy giving food. Nuts, protective foods. Fish, body building food. And milk. Where is the milk? Tell me. Milk, that is a body building food. Yes, no? So C1, fill in the blanks. So first one, vegetarians do not eat. What they do not eat? Meat. Second one, people who eat meat should also eat a lot of fruits and vegetables to stay healthy. Who is eating meat to stay healthy? Fruits and vegetable. D1, answer in 1 or 2 words. First one, what do bodybuilding food groups gives us? Bodybuilding food groups gives us what? That is gives us body buildings or proteins. So second one, who gives us milk, eggs and meat? That is a farm animals. Third one, what is the food we eat called? What is the food we eat called? That is our diet. Answer in a sentence. Why? So answer in a sentence. Why do we need food? We need food to grow, get energy, to work and stay healthy. We need food to grow, get energy, to work and stay healthy. Second one, write one good eating habits. One good eating habits they are telling. I write down so many good eating habits. One you have to choose. Okay. So answer. Eating our meals at fixed time. Wash your hands before and after eating. Washing your hands before and after eating. Eating plenty of fruits and vegetables. Drinking 8 glass of water every day, drinking 8 glasses of water every day, chewing your food well, chewing your food well, eating in happy and pleasant mode, eating in happy and pleasant mode are good eating habits. Are good eating habits. One, what are protective food groups? So, answer: protective food or vitamins and minerals help us be strong and healthy. They protect our body from illness. Protective food or vitamins and minerals help us be strong and healthy. They protect our body from illness. So you have to write on your fair book all question and answers. Okay, bye.